Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to get balance assist on Bank of America. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. Balance assist is a short-term loan solution crafted to address immediate financial needs. To qualify, consider the following criteria. First, have a Bank of America checking account open for at least 1 year, or 2.5 years if no credit score, with a qualified account. Safe balance accounts excluded. 2. Maintain a positive balance in all Bank of America checking accounts. 3. Regularly make monthly deposits. 4. No current balance assist loan. 5. Not more than 6 opened balance assist loans in the last 12 months. 6. Credit-based factors are taken into account. Here is an overview of how balance assist process works. First, apply online for a quick and straightforward process. 2. If approved, gain access to funds within minutes. 3. Apply to borrow up to $500 for a $5 fee. 4. Repay the borrowed amount along with the $5 fee in 3 equal monthly payments. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.